drastic action in the fight against the coronavirus. The president backs off on the idea of a quarantine for the tri-state area, but the federal government issues a new advisory. CBS 2's Christina Fan is on Manhattan's West Side with this story for us. Christina.
Well, Dana, tonight the CDC issued a domestic travel advisory. It urges residents in New York, New Jersey, and Connecticut to refrain from non-essential domestic travel. It is for a 14-day period and starts immediately. The stipulation's much less severe than the idea of a quarantine proposed earlier today that caused backlash from tri-state leaders. President Trump backtracked on his potential plan to place federal restrictions on the tri-state area, tweeting, "A quarantine will not be necessary," after the idea was met with disapproval from the governors of Connecticut, New Jersey, and New York.
It would be chaos and mayhem. That would drop this economy in a way, I think, that wouldn't recover for months, if not years.
The governor said they were blindsided by the president's announcement, first introduced Saturday at the White House, then again in Virginia as he sent off the Navy hospital ship Comfort to New York. President Trump never said specifically what the move would have entailed. He did say Florida's governor wanted to stop the flow of New Yorkers who may be bringing the virus to his state.
Some people would like to see New York quarantined because it's a hot spot. New York, New Jersey, maybe one or two other places, certain parts of Connecticut.
Governor Cuomo called the idea preposterous and said the move would have been illegal. Security expert Manny Gomez agrees, saying the order would have been tough to enforce and even tougher to defend in court.
It just doesn't make sense. We are a free country. We pride ourselves in our freedom of movement, of speech, etc. And we need to continue that in these uncertain times. If not, we're just going to become another despot state.
Within the past hour, Governor Murphy called the advisory non-binding. The CDC says each governor has the power to implement the advisory as they see fit. They also added that the advisory does not apply to certain workers, including those working in public health, trucking, and food supply. On the West Side, Christina Fan, CBS 2 News.